Hello, Claremont and Bayho. It's hard to believe that it's already spring, right? Well, the market typically starts picking up, of course, as we, move into the spring season. Like most years, buyer activity is already starting to increase, and it's actually a lot stronger than it was this time last year and the year before. This is also good to see because, as you may recall, in the previous market update I provided, the inventory of new listings on the market had surged by more than 200%. The increased buyer activity we see bodes well for a mini rally, likely occurring in the next few months, I would say. However, as I stated, tempering our expectations is really the prudent thing to do because we currently have a higher inventory than normal. However, the absorption rate has been pretty good based on the number of home buyers in the market right now. However, mortgage rates are still, of course, far too high, close to 7%, hurting affordability for so many families. But what happens in the market in the coming months is going to be directly correlated to the market inventory, which is basic supply and demand, and especially what happens with interest rates. The Feds would love to lower the rates right now, as they've stated, and they want to do so later this year during likely the second half of 25. They need to curb inflation first, drastically cutting spending, so we'll likely see a significant rate cut. Probably rates are going to decrease, I'm hoping, under 5.5%. The last time they were at 5.75, the market just surged and took off. All of those sellers and buyers that were waiting for rates to drop, they became very active sellers and buyers immediately. But for now, let's look at what's happening right here in the Claremont and Bayho area. Hi, I'm Don Pelletier. I'm owner and broker at the Don Pelletier Group. At the time of this recording, there were 49 active listings in Bayho and Claremont. 28 homes were in escrow, and 41 homes already sold this month alone. The average list price was $1,195,000. The average sold price was close at $1,190,000. They averaged 35 days on the market. However, as you may recall, 2 or 3 months ago I had mentioned that the days on the market locally, it was just 24 days. So the longer market time that we're seeing, it's a result of the increasing inventory and that interest rates are still too high, as mentioned. Caution though, the lower rates are going to bring a lot more sellers into the market. And if that happens, we could see a very positive change in the San Diego market, since this is precisely what so many buyers and sellers have been waiting for, sitting on the sidelines for months on end. So with these significant and impactful changes in our local market, you need an experienced agent to help guide you through your next moves in real estate. With our 4 decades of experience in the Claremont and Bayho area, and the knowledge and expertise that comes with more than 1,100 successful home sales just right here in Claremont and Bayho alone, we can help you to create an excellent strategy, whether you're considering, you're going to be selling your home, buying one, or maybe you're going to do both to derive the very best outcome for you and your family. Don Pelletier here. You can connect with my team today at 858-336-1114 or email me personally at donp@pelletierhomes.com. Thank you very much for watching my video. I sincerely appreciate that. You can also check out our website at donpelletier.com. Thank you.